Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Sai Dental Vlogs. So today's video is very important because I'm going to tell you about how to increase the patient flow in your clinic. This is a very important topic in today's dentistry because all the videos you see regarding work, regarding all the implants, regarding all the RCTs and everything, all depends upon the number of patients who are walking in your clinic. And the main thing which we don't do is in our clinic, that thing we are going to stress in this video. Or and there are many other things, what other factors which lead to more patient inflow in your clinic. Those points we'll discuss today in the video. So the first and foremost important thing in your clinic is your clinic expenses and your clinic rent. So you need to have a regular inflow of patients in your clinic. The first and foremost important thing in your clinic is your area of the clinic. How is the area where you have established in your clinic? For example, if you have opened a clinic in a village area and suburban area, in that area you cannot charge the amount which you charge in an urban area, because most of the village people and most of the suburban area people are either farmers or daily wage earners, or they are some kind of doing small low income status group. So in that cases, suppose a patient comes to your clinic and you tell the patient, okay, आप implant करवा लीजिए, or you tell some expensive procedure, so they won't do it. They just want a simple root canal or a filling or extraction. So in those clinics, if you charge high from the patient flow is going to reduce with time, because the word of mouth is such a thing that it spreads like wildfire. If you do good work, suppose you're a fresher and you're charging more, so what will happen is the people will tell in the nearby neighborhood that this doctor is charging much, don't go there, because a lot of competition is there now in the dental market, and we need to take care that whatever we are charging is reasonable for that particular area. And suppose similarly, if you open a clinic in Bandra, very next to a good place, and you hire a very good place where you're paying a higher amount of rent, so just see the difference. In an urban area you have to pay more rent, people are having good status, people are having more income, more businesses. So there, if even if you charge a little more, that's not an issue. So in a rural area, people are getting less income, your rent is also less, your paying to the assistant is also less, so you have to charge accordingly. But in an urban area where the area is very posh, the area is very good, you can increase your charges. So that all depends where is your clinic. The number one factor is where is your clinic. That's very important. So for example, recently in my place I saw a clinic which is in second floor, and I saw one more clinic in the same building in the first floor. The location is very important, because in the same building you cannot have two clinics, it's very difficult. So in your area, if there are number of clinics are more, so if you are a senior doctor then it's okay, but if you are a beginner you will have to struggle. So search an area in a place where there are no clinics. 101% patients are gonna come over there. So first thing is what we discuss is the location of your clinic is very important. So in location, whether it's an urban area or a rural area. Second most important point is the location. There should be a proper parking space in front of your clinic. I don't have a proper parking space in one of my clinics. And second thing is it should be nearby to some common area, like some bank or some temple or some grocery store where a lot of people walk in. So these two important points are there. And the second most important point, whatever patient is coming to your clinic, 3 points are there, like availability should be there. Then whatever skill you are doing, you should do your best, give your 201% on the patient, and you think about the betterment of the patient, what treatment is good for the patient. So you have to be very cordial, you have to give respect, and gain respect also, you have to gain the trust of the patient, which is very, very important. And first and foremost, the work which you are doing, even if you suppose a 1/7 root canal comes into your clinic, and before opening the clinic you have not done much 7 root canals, call a consultant. There are so many consultants available, endodontists, you can call and get the good work done. And whenever you're talking to the patient, talk confidently. suppose बहुत लोग like डरते हैं, like they get scared कि if I call a consultant, what the patient will think. Patient will not think anything. Patient just want good treatment. That's all. So first of all, suppose a patient comes to your clinic, you have to have good communication skills. Even if you don't have good communication skills, hire someone. I know many people can't able to talk, they won't be able to express themselves. So you can hire a good receptionist who will tell the patient that this root canal is difficult and we're gonna call a consultant for the same procedure, and he's gonna charge this, and he's gonna come for this time at this time, and you need to come at this time. So like this, you have to get the treatment done. It's not like that you have to do all the procedures. It's not compulsory. I even call consultants still now in my practice, and it makes my job easy. So first of all, whenever the patient comes, just tell the patient this is going. Talk confidently. There should not be any doubt within you. If you are having some doubt in your treatment or your treatment planning, you can hire senior doctors to work in your clinic and work on shared basis. And slowly improve your skills in the clinic. The more skills you improve, the more people will talk about you, the more people will tell, okay, that's a good clinic, he does good work, and people will walk in through your clinic. Third most important thing which I usually feel you should do is social media marketing, which is a very important step in today's scenario because of the Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. People should know that you have a clinic. Plus Google location, it's very important because people should first locate, then only they will come, right? Because there are so many clinics, people get confused. And whenever you are writing, you should make a good board outside the clinic. Don't write too many things. Just write a dental clinic, your name, your designation, registration number, and phone number. That's all you can keep in your boards. And whenever you are buying materials in your clinic, which is very important, never go for cheap materials because they are not very durable. You should have good quality dental materials in your clinic, which is a very important point which I'm going to tell you. Because the more good materials you're using in your clinic, the better results you will achieve, right, on the patient. Invest your time, invest your money, whatever money you're getting from the clinic, keep a little bit part of that money to upgrade your skills, learn something new, and slowly you will see the number of patient flows is increasing. And I know it's quite difficult in the present scenario to get more and more patients. So whatever patients you are getting, do it with wholeheartedly. Within a span of 4 to 5 years, you will get good patients and you will win everyone's heart. And for your information, I'm ending the video here. And for your information, we are starting a 3.5 months hands-on training program on dental patients. So this is in Bhubaneswar, and we are providing hostel facilities for girls also. And you can come and join our clinic. It's a charitable academy, charitable dental clinic, Sai Dental Academy and charitable hospital. You can come and join, and you can work clinical skills, and whatever things you are lacking, you can learn here. It's open for everyone. We have enrolling 8 to 9 people in one batch. Already few are there. So please do come, and if you are not seen my Insta channel, please subscribe my Insta channel as well, Sai_dental. Till then, take care, bye bye, love you.